How to check Samsung TV model. First of all, get your Samsung TV remote control, then press the home button like so. Then scroll all the way along to the left hand side. Then click on the middle OK button. That'll bring up this setting screen here where you want to go ahead and scroll down until you get to support. Then go to the right. Then scroll all the way down until you see about this TV. Now, in this section, you're going to get a bunch of different pieces of information. I am covering the screen because obviously I don't want to give up all the information about my TV. But within this section, you're going to see the TV model, all the information about this TV you're going to want to see. You can also open the source license, so you can get the QR code, all within this area here. So everything you need to know about your TV, including checking the model of your TV for whatever you need, is within this section here. So go ahead and look at it in the support section about this TV. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.